The oatmeal story is a great example of how awareness comes. I wasn't thinking of anything, just being fully present to that moment of my oats. About a year and a half ago, I had made a pot of oatmeal. Just being mindful of that, I saw the entire world in the pot of oatmeal. I saw the representation of it in every bubble that was coming up in my oatmeal. When Monday morning comes, the first thing when you walk in your office, in fact, when you're on your bike riding to the office, you're already thinking about this guy over here and what a terrible person he was. Yeah, true? You can relate? Okay, all right. So what happens is you do this every day, right? Before you know it, 6 months has gone by, and you guys haven't talked about it at all. The chain is getting heavier, isn't it? You've been holding this chain for 6 months now. How does it feel? You're developing good muscles, right? But the muscle here and the muscle here aren't doing so well, are they? I make no claims that what I'm going to share with you today is the truth. All I'm here to do is to share with you the teachings that I've received over the last 25, almost 30 years, sitting with other teachers, to the aha moments of just observing life, to the incredible moments of sitting in silence in the jungle amongst the trees. And say hello to your mind. You have to go through all these different, each one of these is a thought. Your goal is to go through every one of these in order to get to this stream, to find your way home. Think you can do that? Well, here you go. Good luck. So, on the blue, the ribbon side, which as I said represents the spirit side of every one of us, the Greek word Hu means God in English. On the chain physical side, the second part of the two-part person is man, which is the animal, the physical appearance of us. All right? God, which we also call the self, is unchanging, it's eternal. Whereas we think of the mind-body complex as what the normal functioning human being is. And we all know that's very impermanent. Every one of us here are born and we're going to die. What I'm here to do with you is to share. And the best way I can describe it is, this is my way of breathing. If you take a breath in right now and hold it, at some point you have to exhale. That's how life works. You inhale, you exhale. You share the air that you breathe with everyone else, with the plants that take it, and they do their own thing with it. I've been blessed to receive a lot of teachings. That's my inhalation. And now I'm exhaling for you to take what I have been given and to pass it on. And that's my whole purpose for being here.